Hello everybody and welcome to another hand feeding. Today we are doing the cockatiels, all the older cockatiels that are out of the grow up cage. They're all between 7 and 9 weeks old. Tried to do them all at once here. At this age they're very active. They're going to want to fly around. They're all nearing weaning. They're not eating very much at this stage. I'm going to start off with, I guess, this guy. And he is no interest at all in taking the food. So, there he goes. He is the oldest of the batch. And he hasn't taken the feeding now. This is his second day of no feeding. After 3 days of no feeding and eating on his own, they are officially weaned. I'll then keep him here for 1 more week to make sure that he's not losing any weight. But hopefully he will stay off my head. My head is a little sore today. Last night one of the larger parrots got out of the cage. It would be an untamed parrot. Landed on the head, got caught in my hair, started thrashing around and biting and scratching. I had to cut him out, got him out pretty quick, but I was doing a lot of bleeding. So I had to take off the rest of the hair and see what damage they did. Not too bad, it's just a little too sore to wear a hat right now. One of the hazards of having large untamed parrots. Let's see how this looks like your next. Still a good hand feeding response from this guy. And this is a syringe finisher. He might take a little bit more. Looks like he's one of the younger ones. He gets pretty messy at this age. And that's it for him. Important to keep them in these containers until they're fed, just so I know who's been done and who's not been done. At this age, they're more interested in going around, flying around, playing than getting a full feeding, usually. I think that's pretty hungry as well. And he's done. He kind of lowered himself down, hunkered down, went away. And next. Nice little gray here. Oh, still active. Seems pretty hungry. And then it slows right down. And he's done too. Oh, this is a pretty small one. You can tell the age by the length of their tail. Longer tail, the older they are. Oh, there they go. They'll fly around for a while and come back to the shoulder. You like to have a little bit of fun once in a while. That'll be for him. He took a full one. We have here a white face. Just waiting for one of these guys to poop on me. They will poop on me sooner or later. That's okay. I buy my shirts in bulk. usually change my shirt 4 or 5 times each day. If I hear them flying around, those guys are getting better at flying. They don't crash as much. They do throw crash quite often, but not quite as much. Oh, there he goes. One crash. Oh, he looks pretty pleased with himself over there. There you go. Come here. There we go. At this stage, a room full of cockatiels is a room of chaos. Gets all the other birds worked up as well. Oops. Yep, he's done early. Careful. You also got to be a little careful with where they are, because they will, when they fly back to me and they're not very good at landing, they will crash into the side of your head. Oh, he is totally done. Another complete refusal there. Oh, that was a good one. Don't worry, at this age they're pretty bouncy. They can take some hard landings and not have any effect. But it's always good to have them in a small room like this when you can't get too much speed going. Oh, another hungry baby. Oh, maybe not. There. It takes cockatiels quite some time to get really good at flying, especially when their wing feathers and tail feathers, their long tail feathers, are still growing in. The feathers are very long. It takes them quite a while to get to full growth, and until they're fully grown, it throws off their flight a bit. Especially the landings and the quick turn. Maybe done. Last one. 13 altogether. These feeding. Oh, I need to. Oh well. Go there. And that's done. At this age, it's always very important to have them in contact. This one here is the oldest one, and as you can see, he's stuck with me throughout the whole hand feeding pretty much. When they're young, like the ones flying around are all mostly the younger ones. Once you get a little older, they will be more concerned with staying with their people, interacting with their people, than really flying around too much. There we go. And it's always important at this age, especially and of course throughout their first full year, to give them as much shoulder time as you can. The more they get to rely on their people, the more they get in contact with their people, the friendlier they will be throughout their whole life. And now, as usual, after feeding, I'll spend half an hour or so here with them, let them feed. Eventually all the other ones will come back and land on me. I'm going to spend a little time. This guy used to be with me the whole way through. Pretty soon, another week and a half, and many of these guys will be ready for their new homes. Ooh. Always hard when you see a batch go, because you get kind of attached to them. But you always know that there's more babies on the way. There are more babies in the brooder now, the little ones, and more babies in the nest. Always like to have some babies of every age around. Always nice to be able to play with the older ones. Well, I got a call. Looks like I gotta go. I'm doing a pickup.